Welcome back to the 7 days of breath healing reset. Day 6, breath and balance. Today is day 6 of our breathing healing journey. Over the past days, we have been slowed down, softening, releasing, and reconnecting with the body. And today, we gently explore balance. In many Asian Eastern traditions, balance is seen as the foundation of well-being. Yin and Yang, sun and the moon, activity and rest, effort and surrender. Not opposite fighting each other, but different energies, learning to move together. And one of the simplest ways we can begin feeling this balance is through breath. Today, we will explore 2 gentle breathing practices. A balanced rhythm breath and alternate nostril breathing. Not to force harmony, but to invite it. Our breath naturally reflects our inner state. When the mind is overwhelmed, the breath often becomes shallow, fast, or uneven. And sometimes life pulls us too fast in one direction. Too much thinking, too much doing, too much worrying. Or sometimes too much heaviness and exhaustion. Asian breathing tradition believed that balanced breathing can help bring balance to the whole body system. Modern science also shows that slow, rhythmic breathing can calm the nerve system, support emotional regulation, and help the brain shift into a more balanced state. So today, we simply practice returning to center. Please find a comfortable position. Allow the spine to rest naturally. Relax the shoulders. Soften the jaw. And gently bring awareness to your breath. Today, we try a balanced rhythm. Inhale 4, hold 4, exhale 4, hold 4. It's called box breathing. Like a soft square, each side equal. This begins slowly. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Follow your own breath rhythm. Continue gently at your own pace. If the breath feels strained, soften the count. This is not a performance. The breath does not need to be impulsive. Owning count. As you continue, you may begin noticing a quiet steadiness inside the body. Like waves finding rhythm, like the nerve system remembering safety. After a few more rounds, gently release the counting and return to natural breathing. Now, we gently move into another Asian practice. Alternate nostril breathing. In yogi traditions, this breath was believed to help balance different energies within the body, like balancing sun and the moon, movement and stillness, logic and intuition. Not perfection, just harmony. Use your right hand. You may gently rest your index and the middle finger between the eyebrows, or simply fold them inward. Use the thumb to softly close the right nostril. Inhale slowly through the left nostril. Now close the left nostril with the ring finger. Release the right nostril. Exhale slowly through the right side. Inhale through the right. Close the right side. Release the left. Exhale through the left. This is one gentle cycle. Continue slowly. No rush. No need to breathe deeply, only comfortably. As you continue, imagine the breath bring softness to both sides of the mind. Balancing through the feeling, balancing effort and ease. If you lost the pattern, that's okay. Simply begin again gently. Breathing itself is already enough. After a few more cycles, gently release the hands. And allow the breath to return to the normal. Now simply sit here for a moment. Notice how the body feels. Notice the mind. Perhaps nothing dramatic happened. And that's perfectly okay. Sometimes healing is not fireworks. Sometimes it is simply the nerve system learning the balance is possible again. Balance does not mean everything becoming perfect. It simply means we learn how to return again and again. And today, through the breath, you practice the returning to yourself. Take one final gentle inhale and a soft exhale. Thank yourself for showing up today. And gently return when you are ready. Take as much time as you need here. We will see you in next video.